Hello, children. I'm your Ima from Ima's Story House. Today, I'll read out a very small story to you, and the story is The Wolf and the Lamb. On the bank of a river, a lamb was drinking water. A hungry wolf came roaming there and saw the lamb. His eyes twinkled and mouth watered to see the plump lamb. He thought, what a fine plump lamb he is. I must make some excuse and eat him up. So the wolf shouted at the lamb, "Stop drinking water from this river. You are making the water dirty." The lamb replied very politely, "Drinking water from the flowing river does not make the water dirty." The wolf thought of some other excuse and said, all right, but you were the same lamb who had troubled my brother the last year." Very much surprised, the lamb replied, "Sir, how could I trouble your brother last year? I was not even born then." Seeing his effort going futile, the wolf became angry and growled, "So what? If you did not trouble my brother, but you dared to reason with me, and that is your biggest fault. You must get the punishment." The wolf at once pounced upon the lamb and ate him. See, the moral of the story is an evil finds some excuse to perform an offense. So, I'll show you the picture of the wolf and the little lamb. How do you like the story? For today, bye bye, bye bye. Keep well, be safe, sanitize your hands, and put the mask whenever you are out of your house. Bye bye, bye bye.